Hey guys, it's Ashley, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're celebrating Veterans Day, and I thought what a perfect project for Veterans Day than a card to say thank you to the veterans in your life. So today we're going to be making a card with the Cricut Joy. Let me walk you through the supplies that you'll need for this. You'll want the Cricut Joy card mat, and this mat makes it super easy to make a card very quickly. You'll want a pen. We're going to be using the Cricut Joy pen in blue. This is a gel pen. And we're going to be using a package of insert cards, and this one is the New Romantic Sampler. So it comes with the envelope that you'll need. You can pick out the card itself. I'm using this khaki colored card here, and then I'm going to use the red insert. So I thought little accents of red and blue would look really nice. So all we have to do is we loaded up our project inside Design Space. We're going to be making the Home of the Free Because of the Brave card. And so it's loaded and ready to go, as you can tell by the flashing light. We're going to open up our machine. We're going to take our little tool here, and we're going to remove this and insert our pen, because we're going to be drawing for this one. So all you have to do is just drop the pen in and close it. We're going to load up our little card mat here. And to load up your card mat, all you have to do is just open your card. And there's little guidelines on here so that you can place your card correctly. There's a little sleeve that lifts up, so just place this underneath. And then we are going to smooth it down so that way it's nice and attached. So this is ready to go, and all we're going to do is load this in. The Joy is making sure the mat's aligned. And I have to select go so that it can start working. The next step is to load the fine point blade and the clamp, so we're just going to remove our pen. Make sure you cap it and set it aside. And then we're just going to drop our blade in, close it, and select go. So we have our card ready. We're going to take our card and flip this over. And the card mat will remove the bulk of the card itself. We can remove any leftovers. Okay. So that's ready to go. We're going to take our little insert card here. And as you can see, there's little slots in, so we'll just load this in here. And there we go. Now we have a card ready to go, and all I have to do is add our little envelope to it, and we can use it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Make sure to hit the subscribe and like button, and I'll see you later.